Hello, it's Clinton Gray and welcome to my channel. Today we're discussing OpenStreetMap and how to become a contributor. First thing you'll do is type into Google OpenStreetMap and this is what you'll be presented with. So if you click on OpenStreetMap, click on the sign up button. It's basically very simple. You add in your email address, you confirm it, display your name. If your name may have already been taken, for example your first name, then you can put something else. You create a password. You confirm it and you sign up. They will then send you an email. You then click on the link. You're brought through to your login page. You'll log in and this is basically what you will see. So you want to start editing. You'll go to here. You'll edit with ID. So this is now the interface. Let's go across to the right hand side here and you can choose a background. Let's go to Mapbox Satellite and close this down. In order to start editing, you'll notice that these options here are blacked out. So you'll need to zoom in until such times as the boxes, there we go. Alright, so now you'll notice there is no mapping details in this area here. So what we can do, we're going to create a line. So you take your mouse changes to a plus sign, you click, left click again, left click, and so you go. And you can then follow this all the way along here, and we'll continue on a little bit longer. Once you got to the end of it, you double click, and what it does is it highlights that point in red. Now what you need to do is you need to actually create the information about that particular element that you've created. Okay, if for whatever reason it doesn't accept what you're trying to do, it'll give you a highlighted box like this. So you can then select minor unclassified. Then you've got other options, and once you've done all of that, you can choose to save. And you'll notice now there's information that road has been updated to a minor dirt road. Okay, and what you can also do is the change set comment, a brief description of your contribution. You can change that to minor community dirt road. And once that's done and you've satisfied all the requirements, you can then upload. So that's basically it. It's very straightforward, and you will go through the same process for a point or for an area. So there you go. We've created a line, we've given it a description, and we've uploaded it to the OpenStreetMap's interface. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe, tag the little bell, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Cheers. Take care.